Haier storage electric water heater. At only 295 mm depth, slim body space saving. Adopts twin magnesium rods separately installed at the top of each tank. LED touchscreen, temperature visible, comfortable wash. Once max button pressed, the double tanks are heated simultaneously to raise the water temperature to the preset temperature. U-turn flow technology effectively prevents stagnant water deposition. By Wi-Fi Evo, users can manage their hot water by switching modes remotely anytime, anywhere. There are more options to choose from.